So looks like the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is ready to challenge the Galaxy S25 Ultra with all the fresh features both in software and hardware. Xiaomi is aiming to be the top smartphone of the year. Xiaomi brought 1-inch camera sensor to the mainstream market with the Xiaomi 13 Ultra, while the 14 Ultra failed to make any significant jumps into the main camera sensor. Now the new information indicates that the 15 Ultra is set to take a step forward in that department. According to reports, Xiaomi is planning to outfit the Xiaomi 15 Ultra with a main camera that's even bigger than the 1-inch sensor found on the Xiaomi 13 Ultra and 14 Ultra. If this leaked information turns out to be accurate, the 15 Ultra would officially claim the title of the smartphone with the largest camera sensor to date. According to DCS, Xiaomi is planning to enhance not only main camera but also the zoom capabilities of the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. The phone will still feature a quad camera setup including the main camera, 2 telephoto lens and an ultra-wide snapper. Reportedly, the periscope lens has also been improved to provide better performance in the zoom range of 10x to 30x. Seems like Xiaomi is really taking their flagship phone game seriously this time. The 15 Ultra is definitely going head to head with the S25 Ultra in every aspect. Moving on, according to a leak by Chinese tipster, the Xiaomi 15 Pro and the 15 Ultra will feature a new ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor. It is unclear if the base Xiaomi 15 will have this feature, possibly indicating it could be equipped with an optical in-display fingerprint sensor. In addition to the 15 series, Xiaomi is also providing this technology to OnePlus, which will use in the upcoming OnePlus 13. For those who don't know, the ultrasonic variant uses sound waves to produce a 3D map of the user's fingerprint, providing great accuracy and security than its optical cousin. This technology shines in difficult situations such as wet or dirty fingers since it can overcome surface flaws. For a better understanding, the Galaxy S24 series, Oppo Find X7 Ultra and the iQOO 12 Pro are some of the recent phones that features ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor, while other phones including the Xiaomi 14 series are equipped with the optical version. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra may also feature a 6.89 inches micro curved display which was used in the 14 Ultra. The mass production of the Xiaomi 15 series is expected to begin in September of this year with a potential launch date in October. This is a great start for the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. As of now, it looks like Xiaomi is adding some new and improved specs. Let's see what we get to know about this device in the future. So let me know what do you think of this Xiaomi 15 Ultra in the comments below. With that being said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.